Part 4 of my quest to hit a hole-in-one with my Kirkland signature iron. Today's club, it is the 7-iron, but this is a special hole. Torrey Pines North Course, number 15. Dramatic views of the West Coast, Best Coast. We've got a 7-iron from 165 into the wind, playing about 145 downhill, and we stripe it. It's a 2-tier green. Pin was on the right today. Tough pin placement, but we have a beautiful 25-foot birdie putt. Break to the right, break to the right, break to the right. Easy tap and par. Subscribe if you think I can do it, or if you think I can't do it. We'll see next time.